Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set reminders for other in Google Calendars. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendars apps, and after this, in here, if you wanna set a reminder, so you just click on the plus box at the bottom. This one, click on it, and after this, in here, you can click on the reminders. And now in here you can set the reminders for uh, maybe for the go to home Dela, maybe like this. And after this you can click on not to all day, and after this in here you can set the date. In here I want to go to the Dela Homes tomorrow, maybe click on it, and after this in here you can click on the OK. Now you can go to click on the save at the top and finish. So that's how to set reminders for other in Google Calendars. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.